Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy Bitcoin on Bitvavo. And this is quite simple because you need to know a few simple steps. The first step that you need to know is that you need available balance on your account to buy something. So let's say if you don't have an available balance, click here on the plus icon and make sure that you create a deposit for your account. Then after that we go to assets. Then we search the currency or the coin that we want to buy. Now we want to buy Bitcoin. And then from here, we click here on buy. Then right now, first of all, we click on advanced and you have three types to buy Bitcoin. The first one is just a price protection for 5 seconds. So let's say if you do max and we do preview order, you see right here the Bitcoin price every 5 seconds. So that is a protection. Then if you go back and we click on advanced again, you have here a market order, so you can place an order on the specific price. And if you go to advanced again, you have a limited order. And then right now you can fill in a price that you want to choose that he will automatically buy Bitcoin. So let's say we want to buy Bitcoin on 92,000. Then from now we click here on max. But keep in mind, the minimum is €5 to buy Bitcoin. Now, for now, we don't have enough. So this is not an option for now. But if you have 2-3 cents more, then you can use this order by just filling in here the order price where you want to buy. And then click here on preview buy order. Now we go back and we choose at advanced the price guarantee. Then we fill in the max because I want €5 Bitcoin. We do preview order. Then we do buy Bitcoin. And right now we just bought Bitcoin for €5. So this is exactly how you can buy Bitcoin. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.